శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుక మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam Pradhamaskandham, Suta Maharshi revealing to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, the son of Vyasa, Sri Suka, came down to Parikshin Narendra and standing right in front of Parikshin Narendra. Vrutascha balaihi avadhuta veshaha. Around Sri Suka there are small children playing around him, and there are no any great indications so that we can know that he is a great Maharshi. He is in Avadhuta, the posture of Avadhuta. Tam Dvashtavarsham. Sri Suka is 16-year-old. He is looking very strong and young. Sukumara pada. His feet is very delicate. And karorubahu amsakapolagatram. His hands, his shoulders, his face, everything is looking so delicate. Charu ayata aksha. Beautiful wide eyes and a very tall nose. 2 ears are placed very symmetric, and his eyebrows looking so beautiful. His face is glowing and very attractive. Kambu Sujata Kantham. His throat is looking like a beautiful Senkham. Visala Vakshasthalam. His chest is wide and his shoulders are very long. His Vaktra Vikirna Kesam. His hair, having so many curly hair, that hair is falling on his beautiful face. Su Amara Uttama Abham. His glow is just like Sri Krishna Paramatma's glow. He is glowing like Sri Krishna Paramatma, and with his body, beautiful color of the body, with the glow in his body, with the youngness in his body, with the handsomeness in his body, and with the beautiful smile on his face, he is able to captivate all the ladies, all the women in the world. Such great Sri Suka standing right in front of Parikshin Narendra. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.